Gum treatment, length of the gum treatment depending on what kind of treatment you need. Sometimes if it's just a deep cleaning, depends on the hygienist is doing it or the dentist is doing it. Keep in mind, again, we are dealing with the fourth segment of the mouth or four quadrants. I would say each quadrant may take about 45 minutes or 1 hour. That's as far as length of time needed for deep cleaning. But if you need a surgical treatment, again, depending on what needs to be done. Sometimes it's just to open debridement, which takes less time, but sometimes it needs augmentation of the site. For example, you have to have implants, and one area that you have lost a tooth, you have a severe resorption of a bone, so there is not adequate bone. In that area, augmentation or reconstruction of the site needed. Obviously, that takes longer time. So, but on average, each surgical treatment for, I would say, maybe 1 hour, hour and a half. Again, depending on who is doing it and the complexity of the case.